This is Abigail going across the bridge.
Oh, great. No.
For the second time. Yes.
Stop it.
If I bounce it, she freaks out.
Because it moves.
Of course it moves. It's a bridge.
Bridges are supposed to be stable.
Since when? Don't fall.
Thanks. I'll try not to. Robert, I'm over the water.
See? Really far down. If she falls, she might not make it.
Thanks. You're really helpful.
I know.